Hi guys, welcome back to our channel DevTown. So guys, as in the previous video, we have talked about the conditional formatting. I have told you how you can apply the conditional formatting in the Excel. Okay guys, so now in this video, I will tell you how you can edit the conditional formatting, okay, in the between. So guys, this video would be a very easy video, okay, but it is mandatory to all of you to watch this video till the end so you like never miss any topic. Okay, so guys, now let me create a condition here. Okay, and for your information guys, we are having a raw data which I have downloaded from the Google, okay, in which we are having a age. So guys, now what I want to wait a second, what things can be done. Okay, so I want that the all the age less than 30 in the green. Okay, so now let me create a condition here. If, okay, and the logical test, okay, is if it is greater equal to 30, true. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm getting a true here. So now guys, what we have to do, we have to copy this formula. Okay, now we have to go on this home, this conditional formatting. Wait a second, where is the conditional formatting? Okay, new rule, use formula to determine cell format. I have to paste this formula here. Okay, then I will set the format here. Okay, I want in the green. Okay, why it is running here? Okay, let me verify it. Guys, we have done a very minor mistake. Okay, you have to also take care about that. We have not selected the cells which we want. Okay, so for the logical test, let us take a value h2 equal to, okay, okay, let us set here the age 30. Perfect, now we are having a true here. Now let me copy this formula, copy, and I will select these to the home, conditional formatting, new rule, format for green color. See guys, now as soon as I have pressed the button, so the all the people having age greater than the, let me check the formula, okay, 30. So now it is showing us in the green. Okay, now if I want to edit, so guys, how can I edit? I can edit formula from the here. Suppose now I want to change it to the 50. See guys, now the things will change because I have changed the formula. Okay, so guys, this is how you're gonna use this. Let me, okay, I hope that this thing is very much clear how you can edit the formula here. Okay, let me show you within one more example. Let me first delete this formula. Let me undo all the things. Okay, so now let me create one more formula here. If logical test is 2 is and the 20, okay, Wait a second, why I'm getting this? True. And guys, for this, you have to always take care of this comma, okay? Otherwise, guys, it will give you an error. Okay, false. Okay, so our code is running perfectly. There is no issue. So now I will again select it. I will copy it. Then I will go to the conditional formatting. And trust me, guys, this property of the Excel would be used in the many places. Okay, why our code is not running? Let me again copy it. Select it. Additional formatting. New rule. Let me select in the red. Okay. The formula you enter does not evaluate to a number, date, time, or string. Okay. We cannot paste the formula here. Again, let me refresh this. Okay, see guys, now our code is running fine. Okay, so now all the ages above the 30, we are getting it as a red. Okay, and we can also change the formula from here also, guys. Okay, from this time, I hope guys that this thing is very much clear to you. Okay, and guys, please subscribe to our channel DevTown and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from the DevTown. And guys, if there is any query, you can definitely ask me in the chat box. Thank you very much.